In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word 365 and loading the document where you want the pie chart to appear. Once your document is open, look to the ribbon at the top of Word and click the Insert tab. This is where all your visual elements live, and it's the quickest way to bring charts into your document. Inside the Insert tab, find the Illustrations group and click Chart. This opens the Insert Chart dialog box. On the left, select Pie, then choose the style that best fits your needs, such as a classic 2D pie, a 3D pie for a bit of depth, or a donut if you prefer a ring-style look. Pick the one that matches your document's tone and readability, then click OK. Word will open a small Excel spreadsheet with sample data. Replace the sample numbers with your own values, and update the category labels so they reflect your data accurately. As you type, the pie chart will update automatically in your Word document. If you're working with percentages, you can enter the raw numbers and let the chart represent the proportions, or type the percentages directly. Keep your labels clear and concise so the legend and data labels are easy to understand. Now, let's customize the look and feel of your chart. Click the chart to reveal Chart Tools in the ribbon, where you'll see the Chart Design and Format tabs. Use these options to change the color palette, apply a visual style, and adjust chart elements like data labels and the legend. Turning on data labels can make your chart more informative by showing values or percentages right on the slices. Choose a layout that keeps everything legible, and pick colors that align with your document or brand for a cohesive finish. To position the chart, click and drag it to the right spot in your document. To resize while keeping proportions intact, drag a corner handle. Make it large enough to read clearly, but not so large that it overwhelms your page. If you need to revise your numbers later, it's easy. Click the chart, go to the Chart Design tab, and select Edit Data. This will reopen the Excel sheet so you can change values or labels. As before, the chart will update instantly with your edits. That's it. You've inserted, formatted, and positioned a pie chart in Word, and you know how to update the data anytime. Save your work, and you're ready to share a clear, polished visual in your document.